Welcome back to LearnWire. Today we're looking at WinningAds. This product launched just yesterday. The creator of this software has already created two $1 million softwares and did exits for both of those softwares, and they have not launched a product in over 5 years. They created a brand new product that solves Facebook advertising. This is the end of guessing, the start of scaling, the first AI platform that engineers Facebook ad winners instead of gambling with guesswork in minutes, not hours. There'll be a link below if you're interested. There is a very small window to pick this up at the lifetime early bird deal. I can tell you this isn't a lifetime deal where you just buy once and never pay again. This software will require a subscription. Because they're launching right now, the normal price is $97 per month. So it's $1,200 per year normally, and it's only $497 for the whole year. I calculated that. It's about $41 per month to run the software. Now, we're going to do a full demo. This is kind of an unboxing. I haven't used the software. I'm going to hook it up to my Facebook account. So that's really cool. It actually hooks up to your Facebook account, and then it'll go create a ton of ads for you. It will analyze your business and landing page and use its knowledge base and everything that it knows about Facebook marketing, and it will actually create winning ads for you. We're going to test this out and make sure you don't miss this demo. You're going to want to go and actually pay attention to this sales page because it really does go over the pain points that people have, like what used to work on Facebook, create 3 to 5 ads. And the reality, you need a lot more ads. Ad costs have gone up for every single platform. This tool that will allow you to create those ads and get into what you should be doing in 2025, which is you need to be testing a ton of ads to find those couple winners and continue testing ads. You're going to need a platform like WinningAds. Now, this isn't the first time this has been created. I think I've used like a software called Rocket Ads, or there's something like that. And that one was $100 a month, and I was paying that. And it did similar things. It would help you create ads, and it would push the ad to your Facebook account and everything. But that was $100 a month. They know their price point, a $97 price. This goes until August 12th at midnight. Just trying to give you as much information as I can about this. So you have until August 12th at midnight, and then this early bird offer goes away at $497. Then it goes to $97 a month. Okay. This is an annual subscription. So if you buy the $497 product, it is a renew in 12 months if you want to continue the membership. So this is definitely for people that want to invest in their business. They either have a really good offer or they have a SaaS program they're trying to sell. They know the value of Facebook marketing. I've got stories to share. A buddy that's paid agencies $3,000 a month for multiple months and wasn't able to get a good ROAS and actually make money off of the Facebook ads. Then they hired somebody else because he knows the importance of getting your name and brand out there. If you go the agency route, you're going to be paying somebody that's going to use software like this probably anyways. And then you're going to also have to pay thousands of dollars per month. And that's just the honest truth. I have firsthand experience with that. I've got people that are running Facebook ads, and a tool like this will help get you there, hopefully. We're going to go take a look at it though. And what they've done too, this just launched yesterday, and they've done a couple things. They've gotten feedback from customers and added a couple things. Bonus 250 lifetime ad credits that never go away. You get an additional 250 lifetime ad credits that just kind of like goes in your account and your bank side of WinningAds, and you can use them if you need to ever. And that's outside of the credits that you get monthly. So it's just like an additional lifetime ad credit bonus. So you get that. And then you get a personal ad review. So you can submit your ad campaign once you join WinningAds. You can submit your campaign to an expert on their team to review and give you a personalized video feedback. They'll analyze your ads, identify optimization opportunities, and share exactly what they would change to improve performance. I can tell you right now, you can go to Fiverr and pay someone $500 just to analyze your ad account. I have a friend really into Facebook ads and paying people to do it for them. It's very expensive, and they can't guarantee results. So the value that, from my perspective, of the tool like WinningAds would be that there's no guarantee that you're going to be like turn profit and make money. And let's just be real. Let's just be straight up real. WinningAds can't promise that either. But for $41 a month to have the ads created with AI and have those automatically pushed out, and you can do it in bulk, and it's analyzing your business and everything. You can go check out all the different things right over here for just $41 a month, right? In comparison with, you're going to be spending $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to pay somebody else to do that process, which they're probably going to use tools like this anyways, let's just be real, and can't guarantee better results. So from my perspective, it's like, save the $2,000 or $3,000 per month, get a tool like this, and then get better at using this tool to run the ads, okay? So I'm gonna go and test some ads out, but this is the page. This guy sold 2 businesses for $1 million each, took 5 years off, traveled with his family, all this stuff, right? So this isn't like some guy that, and by the way, it's launching on Thrivecart, so it's not launching on Warrior Plus, it's not launching on JVZoo. This is a guy that hasn't launched in 5 years, but the last 2 businesses and softwares that he launched did 7 figures. He was able to sell those and do a 7-figure exit. He's also ran over $10 million in ad spend right here. And that's why he's so passionate about creating this software, because he knows the value. This isn't going away anytime soon. Paid advertising on Facebook. And that's why he created it. Okay. So enough about all that. This is how it works. You enter your business URL right here, and then you go and you have the ads created right here. And then you push the ads out, and then you see which ones do well and keep running new ads and testing. Pretty cool, actually. So I can't wait to test this out. They're going to do better ads than what you would just typically get if you went and asked ChatGPT to create an image. They've got a lot of proof and users using the tool as well over the last year. Probably this has been developed. Now, I've got access. It's got an awesome dashboard, fresh software, just got launched, and it looks really, really slick. And you got this nice dark mode. That is super, super cool looking. I think we'll stick with the light version. Before we do that, I want to make this super sweet deal, because this is a $500 offer. Not everybody's going to be able to pick this up and participate. I wanted to make sure I put something together valuable to you. What I've put together is a bonus for this offer. And it actually does have a timer right here, and this timer is real. Like in 4 days and 14 hours, the bonus goes away, because the $500 early bird offer, this offer that you're seeing on this page right here, this goes away. This offer right here, it's a lifetime early bird. It goes away on August 12th at midnight, okay? So right here, if you click on the link below, you're gonna see this page right here. And I put together a brand new bonus, the best I've ever put together, period. It's brand new. I've never offered this bonus before, ever. I'm offering exclusive access, a 30-day free trial to my YouTube affiliate system. So you'll be able to go in and get access to my YouTube affiliate accelerator program. I teach everything about marketing, about affiliate marketing, about building funnels, email marketing, traffic, YouTube growth, anything that has to do with that. I've made over $550,000 doing YouTube and affiliate marketing. Everything is in there. We've got live calls every 2 weeks. I never give out free trials for this paid community. Everyone that's come through here, and this community has made over $50,000, $60,000. And so I've never let people come in for free and done that model. This is a paid community. The price is going up to $1,200 a year, or $97 per month this Monday. This is a massive value packed community I've been running since October of 2023. Even if I turn on the free trial access, school only allows 7 days at a time. And then you choose to purchase the community, or your trial ends. If you purchase WinningAds, you'll be able to get your bonus in Thrivecart. And then you'll actually have to email me your receipt, and then I will manually add you as access and give you 30 days trial to my school community right here. You're going to get access to all kinds of courses. Look at how many videos are in each course. If you ever wanted to learn how to create a YouTube channel and don't believe it can be done, I put my money where my mouth is in this case study. I build a channel in front of you with 0 subscribers, then I take it to 1,000 subscribers and several thousand views per month. I show you exactly how to do it if you're interested. If you're interested in Warrior Plus, I teach you how to do marketing and make sales and what separates me. And I'm a top 1% earner on Warrior Plus. The last 60 days, I'm number 13 in the entire world at affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus, which has been around over 20 years. So that's actually a pretty good accomplishment, I must say. If you want to create your own courses and sell them to your audience, this is a 4.5-hour course right here on how I create courses. And you guys have seen me throughout the years. I can create courses over the weekend and sell them for thousands of dollars. I teach you all about that. If you want to learn AI blogging, video blogging, I've got a course on that. And then you have the live Zoom calls right over here here where we've been going since 2023. We just had a call 2 days ago and we had a really nice turnout, 5 people on the call. And you can see anything that you would ever want to know right here. Look at 2024, all these topics. You need motivation. This is it. These calls are like insane value, 1 to 2 hour per call right there. Okay. So that is it. Like, come and join us. We've got a really, really awesome community right over here on my YouTube affiliate accelerator program. Never been done before. 30-day trial access. This is a mid-ticket item and it's a $497 product. I'm going to get a commission on that. This is the best offer I could give because you're buying through my link and putting your trust in my brand and myself. I want to deliver on that bonus. I'd love to have you check out my community, work with me, be able to ask me questions and so forth for 30 days. Take as much of the courses as you want, try to make friends in the community, get on live calls, watch the replays. I'd love to have you join me. Let's jump into winning ads. Okay, so we're going to look at winning ads. Before we get into the dashboard, I wanted to make sure this part is clear. If you get in on the early bird up until Monday, August 12th, or what is that, Tuesday at midnight, you're going to get 100 ads per month. So 100 credits per month. You can create 100 ads per month with the software. When they launch this at the regular price, Pro Plan members, if you get the early bird, you're getting double the credits that you're going to get in like 5 days if you decide to get it then, right? You're going to have to pay more than double. So you're going to pay $1,100 per year or $97 a month. And then you're also only going to get 50 credits per month. You won't get the 100. And also, they have sweetened the deal. They're giving you an extra 250 credits added to your account just to sweeten the deal. So you get an extra 250 on top of the 100 per month that you're going to get. And then also they're adding in, as a bonus, if you get in on the early bird launch, you can submit your offer or business to them and a member of their team will do a personalized video for you going over your offer and giving you tips. This is from a company that has done $10 million in Facebook ads. There's a bunch of bonuses you get right over here as well. Pretty cool stuff, but we're going to log in. I'm going to show you, and I've already worked my way through this. You're going to go over to the dashboard. Let me zoom in. So you're going to go over to the dashboard. I've already got some things going on here. I tried to put my school offer in, which is like a school about page. And I've also tried to put in this other site over here that I built in no code with base 44. And what it ends up doing is that it basically goes and defaults to the domain itself. So if I go and use this as my offer in winning ads, it's going to go ahead and just default to yourschool.com. And it's going to look at it from their company standpoint, what their landing page is, what their customer base is. It's not going to be specifically for this particular URL, which is my community. It's not going to be able to do that. When I had another page over here that I wanted to do, a new landing page that I just built for the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program, really nice looking page here, a lot of information, but I haven't published this and got a domain yet, but I thought I would be able to still host it. It's a live web page. That also didn't work. So I emailed Wilco, the owner and founder of the software, and he's already gotten back to me. He said, "Hey, David, thanks and great feedback. As for the uploading more content, we have a feature request on that." So they have a feedback area. Let me go click on that real quick. And here's their feedback: ability to upload extra documents, knowledge to train the AI. So we can control what we want our brand to be trained on, which would bypass the URL altogether. You could click on a web page, do a control A and a control copy, go into winning ads and paste that into a knowledge base box and you're done. We wouldn't have to worry about this, URL and so forth. So he said that that's already added. They did a +1 upvote for me as well. You can see their feature request and their roadmap right over here. A lot of activity going on in the roadmap as well. Customized brand tone per offer right there. Is it possible to add Icelandic language? There's people using the software, adding this as well. I've also logged a request for school so it doesn't get lost. We have another one under feedback, trying to find it. So we have a support school and landing page. Currently it's scraping the full school website, which shouldn't happen. It should focus on my own school community. So really, really good stuff. Here's how you use the software. You're going to go into your dashboard, ignore these two down here because they didn't work for me, but I explained why. But when you put in your brand website, it's going to work flawlessly. You're going to go over here, remove a project. You get 3 projects at once, right? So 3 brands. So you're going to go ahead and create new project. You're going to go and add your brand, your URL right here. They're going to change this and have more options to paste text and stuff like that as well. You're going to go create the new project. It's going to scrape a bunch of pages on your website, and what's super, super cool is it finds all of your offers on your site. And that's what it did on LearnWire. So we'll click in here and I'll show you what it did was we go to project settings. It has your language and all that. Look at all these different languages offered right here as well. It did a target audience. I'm not going to go through all this right now. I don't want this to be too long of a video, but it did get it right. It got digital marketing, AI tools, software development, web development, all that stuff. So it did a good job. And this is automated, right? It did all this itself. Now we can come in here and edit this if we wanted to as well and update that. Now that's really cool, but I want to be able to do this on the front end so we can bypass that URL thing. And he said that they're going to do that. So we can come over here, the main product, it found software reviews right there, online courses. So we have AI Alchemist and Keyword Research Mastery, and that is actually a page on my site under courses. And it was able to find that products that we actually have on the website. Community resources right there, software tools, recommendations, some of my affiliate products that I recommend. It found those as well. It has the brand, tone of voice, authoritative yet approachable, language is precise, straightforward and clear, professional tone, a tech-savvy audience, enthusiastic. So it knows my audience. It knows how I talk, a community through first-person reflections, honest reviews, and conversational touch. So it really nailed the branding, the products that I offer, and it has a really good picture. You're training the AI. You're giving it a really good picture on what you do in your business. Then you have your unique selling points right over here. In-depth, no-fluff software reviews. That's what I've always basically been. Authored by industry expert David Mills. I think the 25 years, I would probably put 15 years right there. We can actually go like this and edit that part right there. I'm just going to say 15 years. Save. So it's saving, it's going to regenerate that summary right there, okay? So then what you do after this, it's done, you go and you create an offer. We're going to go over here. You're going to grab your offer page. Let's say, well, I want to send traffic to this courses page right over here. So you'd go and you would paste this courses page in right here. You can actually put multiple there as well. And you can also have a final landing page right there. And then you push create offer. So then once you create the offer, it's going to go out there and actually load this offer in right over here. And it's going to tell you what the page is. It's product based. We're trying to sell my courses, and it outlines everything. It finds both courses in there, what the current pricing is, the approach. It knows a lot. It's using AI to intelligently dissect and analyze your brand, tone of voice, who your perfect audience is, and your offer. It's doing all this for you, right? Pretty cool. Then you push this generate ads button and boom, it creates all these ads. We're going to come back to this one right over here because we did something really cool to get that particular ad, but we'll come back to that in just a minute. Now, here's what the ads look like, right? Really nice in-depth story-based ads that are looking really, really good. You can push the publish button there, super easy. You can go in here and start looking at the different ads. I didn't notice any text misspelled. So that's one thing that ChatGPT doesn't get right all the time. Look, the $27 course that changes everything. So someone that's unhappy, but then they took the course, right? And they're really, really happy. It's the same person too. All this done with AI, super cool. And then discovering LearnWire was a turning point, Andrea C, right? So that is somebody that is literally part of my courses page right over here. It actually is intelligently getting those testimonials, creating ads with them, right? Then you can come down here and see there's always a score right over here. You can hover over it and it does a breakdown from hook length, hook strengths to value proposition clarities to relevant target audience to emotional appeal, to your call to action effectiveness and your format and readability, your social proof and credibility, your urgency and scarcity. It has a full formula trying to create the highest quality, highest scored ads that it can. Some of them, like with the brown and all that, I would probably want to change those one out. But this one over here, actually, I use the AI editor. There's an editing feature inside of there as well. And I accidentally pushed the remove text button. And so that one didn't work as well. But I'm going to show you how you can change that out as well. Unlock hidden keyword gold mines fast. Look at all this. Everything is completely accurate. The pricing's accurate. Everything on there looks really, really good. And then this direct offer template, you get all these when we come back over to offers. Let me show you real quick. When you come back over to offers, there's statistics right over here, how many ads you've created and stuff as well. You can actually change the type of offer to service-based or product-based too. But there was a setting over here too. I'm trying to look for it. I'm not seeing it, where you're actually able to have control over the old way, new way template variants as well. So I'm just going to click on that and see if maybe it's in here. No, but you can go into the library. Just trying to show you as much stuff as possible. You integrate your integrations over here. You actually go to integration and you'll connect. It was super easy. Just a couple clicks, connect it to my Meta ads account. And you can see that we're fully connected right there. Super cool. If you have a package, you can actually add and invite sub accounts and team members as well to help you manage this as well. They have an ad library. We're going to go over that in just a minute. There's just too much to cover, but I don't want this to be an hour-long video. So you go into your offer that you created, and you can have multiple offers for your brand. You go and click the Generate Ads button, and this is where you're going to choose how many ads you want to create, right? If you want to create 50 or 100 at once, you can. I'm just going to create 5 more for us right here. And then you can upload inspiration, so ads that you like. Go ahead and take screenshots, upload those right there. You can put specific instructions right here as well. And you go over to advanced, and this is where you have your promise template, big statement template. If there's some of these types of ads that you like the best, you can control how many it's going to create. If you really just like why, how, what, why, and how ads, social proof ads, if you want to do an entire social proof, and that's all you want to focus on, you could put all 10 ads in here. You can click off of some of these as well. So you have full granular control over the type of ads that are going to be created right here. Let's just say we want to go with create ads completely focused on my create ads focused on my AI Alchemist course and the benefits of taking the course. We're going to create 5 ads. It'll tell you how many credits you have in your bank. You get 100 every month with this $497 deal. You also get an additional 250 that they've added within the last 24 hours since the launch. So you're going to get an additional 250 on top of that just to make sure that you're covered. We're going to generate ads. Now you have ad generation initiated. It's going to create those ads for us. And you can see that it's creating the ads. We can come over here and go back over to dashboard. All those ads are going to be created in the background right over here. AI mastery for 47. So I believe it already created one for us. We can go take a look at that ad right there. And it is actually creating. You can see the images being created in real time, but the text has been created right here. Maybe this one particular, the sub ad template, is one that it doesn't have as long of text. Maybe that's something that you want to go with. Look, this one has a ton of text right there. You're going to want to test out all these ads. The whole point of this software is to be able to get out 50 ads, 100 ads really fast. Spend a whole day or two on it. And then you get to actually test which ones are actually performing. Are they long form ones or the shorter ones? What image ads are working? What video ads are working? All that kind of good stuff. Okay. So it's creating these ads in real time for us. And you can see it's literally just creating these. Master AI today. This guy is depressed. This guy's happy. Same guy because he took my course, right? So here's what the ads look like. If you wanted to go in and make an edit on something, all you would do is just go and click on this and you have an ad reference. You have a history right here. You have a library. You can change if you like the text here, but you like one of the other images, you can go and switch that out as well. They do have an AI editor. I tried to use it. I got an error and stuff like that. And don't push this remove text button because it will literally remove all the text. And then they do have an AI editor. You can explain what you want it to do right here. Maybe change 27 to 37 or something like that. It does take a credit to do that. What I would do is right click, save the image, and maybe take it into Canva and then re-upload it. It's going to take 1 credit, and I would want to do the least amount of changes possible anyways. So that's how that'll work. You push this publish button, select your ad account, your LearnWire reviews Facebook page, you select the campaign, which is LearnWire, then you select the ad set, then you go. It's going to check ad compliance right in front of you. They have AI and a algorithm built in. And the first time I did this, it did catch something. So it did catch something, and it said that we were only like 30% with confidence. And so we had to go and change some numbers because Facebook doesn't like any promises of anything, right? So you have to be really careful. They have something built in where they're going to fix that before you send it over to Facebook, and then it gets denied, and then you got to go out there and fix it. So this is already a huge savings of time. This one looks really good. We're 90% confident about this one, and all you'd have to do is push this to Meta. So watch, I'm going to push this right here. I already have all this set up. You are going to have to go into your Meta account, set up a campaign really quickly, set the campaign budget, and then you can just push these out. You can see inside my Meta dashboard where we have this one set up. You're going to click into the campaign, and at the ad set level, all these are going to come in at one ad set level. We're going to set that $20 daily budget at the ad set level. Now we're going to look at the ad sets. These are the ads I just created in WinningAds. So all you're going to do is just go And there you go. It took about another 15 seconds, but you can see that we have this ad set right over here. The one that I just created, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. This one's under review. This one's processing. I'm going to take a look at the one we just sent over. This is what it's going to look like on Instagram. Look at these really nice ads that took us just a couple clicks of a button once you set everything up correctly. So that's the power of it. If you want to save time and run a bunch of ads, this tool, I haven't seen anything quite like it before. I believe those lifetime credits are going to show up right over here. That 250 extra credits refreshes every month. They do have dark mode and light mode right here. And that's kind of how the tool works. Let's go back over to dashboard, look at what the ads that were created recently for us. We can just click on our campaign here or look at recent ads right there. And here's all those ads that are created. Look at the images. Look at the text is really, really good. All you have to do is just drop down on any of these right over here. AI Mastery course right over here. Super cool. After 15 years building online businesses, I've seen entrepreneurs struggle with AI integration, wasting time on tools, and don't deliver results. That's why I created the AI Alchemist course. I'll show you exactly how to master Claude AI and accelerate your content production using the same methods that helped over 100 students transform their businesses. No theory, just practical strategies that work. Originally 97, now just 47, ready to turn AI into your competitive advantage. Really nice, short and sweet image right there as well. Let me show you how we created this one and the ad library, and then we'll wrap this up. So there's an ad library. I think it's a cooler, simpler dashboard to use than the public available ads library. That's probably where they're getting the data from, but I just think that this is a nicer, easier way to look at. You can look at videos. I'm just focusing on images in this one. You can filter it by available accounts and pages that they have right over here. If you like something, you can push the favorite button. I've already favorited some. You can push a create similar ad button. And that's what I did when I came over here, and I added an advertiser horn funnels right over here. So you can always look at what they're doing. It'll tell you if their ads are active and so forth. So you can get so much intel right here. And if you favorite somebody's ad, you just click the favorite button, then the ad will come over here. And you can see the ads right over here. Now, all I have to do is just create similar ad. When I saw this ad, I really liked it. I said, create similar ad, and it created that ad for us right over here. And that's the one where you're seeing this guy. Super cool. You can right click at any time, save this, and it ends up opening up. This actually looks really good. I'm going to open that up and show you that it created this ad for us really quickly. It got inspiration from this, and then it created this for us. Unlock success with LearnWire's cutting-edge courses, master software, SEO, and marketing, affordable pricing, new courses, only $27. So that is WinningAds. It's a $497 offer, but you're saving a ton of money because their normal price is $97 a month come, August 12th. This is the early bird offer to get in on this launch. He hasn't launched in 5 years. You can see the quality of this. This is very sophisticated software. This is for the right person, people that have money in their business, that want to scale their Facebook ad strategy, that don't want to spend $3,000 on an agency per month that doesn't deliver results. You can cut out that cost and just run the ads yourself. The software is not perfect. There's definitely room for improvement. I've already emailed. The customer support seems really good. Wilco, the creator and founder, has done this multiple times and exited 7-figure exits with their software. I think this is a big opportunity for people interested in this. And he got back to me. I emailed him this morning. He already got back to me and said, cool, yeah, we're going to fix that up. Thank you so much for the feedback. If you have any more feedback, let me know. That's the kind of founder you want involved with software of this caliber, that one that cares, one that listens, that actually responds to people, customers' issues, and so forth, right? Overall, I give this a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Just a couple little tweaks here and there. I would like to see a little bit more credits. It'd be nice if the credit pack, but considering that they're going to make it only 50 credits for pro users come next week, suddenly seems pretty good. And just a couple of those tweaks, a 4.5, very solid tool. The link will be below to go pick this up. And remember, if you want to get that bonus that I've never offered before, crazy bonus, to get 30-day trial free access to my school community, go ahead and click that link below and you'll get a delivery in your ThriveCard account on how to get this bonus fulfilled. This was WinningAds. Let me know what you guys think. Type in WinningAds if you watched the entire review. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video.